Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Phước Trí. My group consists of three members: Nguyễn Thanh, Nhật, Tống, Phước, Minh, Nhật, and me. Today, my group would like to present about random access memory. Content of RAM include: first, define; second, function; third, location; fourth, feature; fifth, classification; and final, flash memory. First, define. RAM is a type of variable memory that allows random read-write access to any location in memory based on memory address. This is a picture of RAM. Next is function. First, temporary storage of data, operating system, command, and application. When the CPU transfers data from the hard drive to RAM for temporary storage, the previously occupied memory area in RAM will be returned when the user shuts down application, turn off the computer. Second is coordinate with computer memory to control, access, and use data. When application programs are open, RAM will be a temporary storage place for that program data. Here the CPU and other device will get the storage data and process it on demand. And final is help the operating system of the computer. The phone can run multitasking well. Because RAM is a place to temporary storage data for components such as CPU and GPU to get information and process. The larger RAM memory, the more it can hold the data of many programs running in parallel, so the ability to multitask smoother.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Phước. Next, I would like to present the part location and feature of RAM. Location of RAM. First, RAM is located in the central processing unit, also called the processor. Second, RAM is located inside the computer case on the motherboard. The first one is about the brain of the computer, which of it process computer program, input event into the computers, and process on the instruction that the CPU receives from the hardware and software running on the computer. The second, on a power motherboard, provides the connection between the hardware of the computer. Next, feature of RAM. First, memory capability is a total number of bytes of memory. Second, memory organization, number of memory cell and bits of memory cell. Third, RAM memory allows in the CPU access data faster so that the computer can complete instructions quickly. 4. Memory cycle is time between two consecutive memory access. The first one is the total number of the byte and memory is 1092. The second one is about the memory cell is capable of storing 1 bit information. The third one is about access time, the time required from the time the read or write. Control signal send array to when the data read or write is complete. Set time is a general speak determines the element of the computer. Next, I would like to invite Tống, Minh, Nhật present.
Hello everyone, my name is Nhật. Next, I would like to present the part classification and branch of RAM. About the classification of RAM, SRAM, also called static RAM, is one of the two basic types of memory, in which SRAM needs a physical power supply to operate, and the data information on the static RAM will also be lost when the power is on, electricity is lost. DRAM or dynamic RAM. DRAM is often used on video game console, network hardware, widely used on computer systems as main memory. It's a type of random access memory. Data will be lost when power is lost. A difference between DRAM and SRAM. Speed: SRAM is on-chip memory with a small access time, while DRAM is off-chip memory with less access time, so SRAM is faster than DRAM. Design: SRAM design is very complete due to the use of 6 transistors. In contrast, DRAM is very simple as only one transistor is needed for a block of memory. Power consumption: DRAM consumes more power than SRAM because DRAM needs to be refreshed every few milliseconds to retain the change. We can see that SRAM has a more complex structure than DRAM. SRAM uses more details, so the production and cost of DRAM will be higher than DRAM. Two types of RAM: SRAM and DRAM, and each of their types of RAM develops more RAM, like with higher performance and processing speed within the needs of each person. Flash memory is also widely used nowadays. No power required to maintain data, fast read and write speed, capable of erasing and rewriting new data. And this is the end of my group presentation. Thank you for everyone for listening.